Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Prerna.
How are you?
I'm good, dear.
So, welcome everyone. And today I am live with Jyoti Kashyap, ma'am. She's principal of City Montessori School, Aliganj, Lucknow. And today we will be talking about a lot of questions related to school education and, careers after class 12. So, welcome once again, Jyoti, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prerna.
सो टू बिगिन विथ मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ज्योति मैम कि काफी ज्यादा ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन को लेकर के बहुत ज्यादा अवेयरनेस और बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस जो है होते रह रहे हैं। तो पहला मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है मैम, सीएमएस अलीगंज में किस तरीके से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को लेकर के टू मेक इट मोर इंटरैक्टिव, टू मेक इट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग रेदर, क्या किस तरीके से व्हाट आर दी टेक्निक्स आर वी यूजिंग?
So, Prerna, first of all, I would like to say that this was nothing new for CMS teachers
राइट,
because already we have the interactive whiteboards, and the
राइट,
teachers have been teaching through these interactive whiteboards in the classrooms also, right from the year 2013. So they had a lot of knowledge about this. And then this did not come as a surprise to us because the teachers, somewhat they were mentally prepared
राइट,
of for online teaching. They were doing Google Classrooms trainings for that as well. So the moment we got to know about the lockdown, the first thing which we did was that we just had a quick training, 2-3 days training of all the teachers just to brush them up with whatever is required for online.
जी,
And you would not believe, I think 18th, our Prime Minister said that the schools would be closed. And it was 21st of March 2020 when we started with online classes. And the teachers really took it up as a challenge.
yeah,
Not only that, then we thought that they need, more knowledge regarding the various tools, the various apps. So a thorough training was given to them
राइट,
by Heritage, and that was made mandatory for all the teachers, not only of CMS Aliganj, for all the teachers across CMS campuses, and
राइट,
they all got a certificate for that. I think that gave them a lot of confidence, and not only teachers, even the principals. We
yeah,
also took up that training. We also got a certificate. So when you are a part of the team, I think the teachers also they enjoy a lot, and they also feel very confident that well, the principal is also doing it, so why not?
true,
So
true.
they really took it up as a challenge, and we got a lovely feedback. The parents were happy. We did everything possible online, and we got a real good response in that.
राइट मैम, हम अभी आपने टेक्निक और इसकी बात करी, आई थिंक टीचर्स के लिए बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग भी होगा क्योंकि उनको ही सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट और एक लर्नर की तरह बहुत सारी चीजें, मतलब आई थिंक जो, क्योंकि आई मीन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं कि हम आज भी टेक सेवी नहीं है। तो मैं चाहूंगी मैम उसमें यू प्लीज टेल ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर वाचिंग, आई मीन स्टूडेंट स्पेशली, कि वो किस तरीके के चैलेंजेस थे जो टीचर्स ने या लेट्स से प्रिंसिपल्स ने भी इनिशियल दौर पे जब लॉकडाउन का हुआ वो फेस करे।
Yeah, so initially, see, there were many problems because, see, everybody was at home.
या, ट्रू,
Now, it was a lockdown for the parents.
या,
In some cases, both parents are working.
राइट,
Now, there are two children in the house. They are also studying online. Parents are working online. So, you need at least 4 devices. Now, you can't expect anybody to be working on a mobile for 5 to 6 hours. That was a very big challenge because whenever we spoke to the parent, no, the child has to be on laptop because it's very difficult, to sit on a mobile and study for 6 periods.
एब्सोल्युटली,
So we used to tell them, and they used to say, "Ma'am, see, you please understand our problem also because we need four systems in the house. Do you think that's possible?" So then we thought of a plan, and the plan was that we just felt that let's have evening classes for some children who are
ओके,
facing these kind of problems.
ओके,
So we started off with evening classes for the pre-primary, primary children because other than the devices, they were having other issues also, wherein if there was nobody to help them out to log in, log out, things like that.
राइट,
So I think parents were really very happy because when we started off with this, but it was a real challenge for the teachers. Now teachers are at home, the family is there,
ट्रू,
children are there,
ट्रू,
so
सो
they
ट्रू,
have to cater to all fronts together. Then if you tell them that there is an evening class also, please arrange for that. So, but
या,
the positive thing is that the teachers they were very proactive.
Right.
They really took charge of the situation, I would say.
Right.
And they really emerged as winners. At no point of time did we face this, that, well, how will we do it? And that's the time for cooking, and that's the time for feeding.
Yeah.
We, not even one such case came up wherein the teachers said that, well, it will not be possible to do such a thing.
राइट सो मैम टीचर्स की बात हो रही है और आज गुरु पूर्णिमा भी है, तो आपका मैसेज राइट उन सभी के लिए, बिकॉज आई थिंक हमारी एक जो बेसिक एजुकेशन से भी पहले तो जो हम कोई भी चीजें सीखते हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ टीचर. Anything, the way they dress up, the way they look, the way they carry themselves, their articulation, the way they talk. I mean, almost everything we really learn from our teachers. तो उन सभी टीचर्स के लिए उनको इस टाइम पे एनकरेज करने के लिए मैम, इस चैलेंजिंग टाइम पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक दे हैव बीन द रियल हीरोज, स्पेशली कि इस एजुकेशन को इम्पार्ट करते रहे, क्लासेस चलते रहे, इसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल जो है वो टीचर्स और सारी एजुकेशन कम्युनिटी को है. तो मैम आपका मैसेज पहले तो उन सारी टीचर्स के लिए है. So
first of all, I would like to wish each and every teacher a very, very wonderful or great Guru Purnima, because I think if teachers are there, they are the builders of the nation.
So true.
So I would like to wish them all a wonderful Guru Purnima today. And second thing is, we have been talking so much about the frontline warriors.
So true.
Now, frontline warriors were the policemen, the doctors, the nurses, the soldiers. What do you say for our teachers? I feel they have stood the test of times. Had there been no teachers in this hour of crisis, there would have been no teaching learning.
So true, ma'am.
Yeah. I would like to salute all the teachers, because it's only and only due to their efforts that the process of teaching and learning went on smoothly. So hats off to each and every teacher who's listening to me today.
I think whosoever is watching, especially I can see a lot of teachers logging in and, commenting in the comment box. So I wish, the same message goes from my side also. A very happy Guru Purnima to everyone who is watching us right now. Now, another question, ma'am, आज result आ रहा है. तो उन बच्चों के लिए जो काफी excited होंगे आज अपने रिजल्ट को लेकर के, स्पेशली मैम जिन बच्चों का क्लास 12 पास हो रहा है, मैम उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है?
So I think yes, this will be a historical result, a result without examination, I would say.
True.
So the excitement that we used to have since morning, whenever we got to know that the results are going to be declared.
Yeah.
I think that type of excitement is not there today. But then for the children, I would like to say that 12th class is not the end of the career.
True.
This is not the end of the career. And moreover, they have worked throughout the year. They've given all the tests. They have given the unit tests, the online examinations, also comparative exam. We had the offline exam. So they have done their bit.
So true.
And as far as admissions are concerned, they are not the only ones affected. It's not only Lucknow children or the children of India or the children of UP who are being affected by this.
Ji.
The entire world is affected.
Yes, ma'am.
So they should not be depressed. They should not be disheartened that why it happened only with us. It has happened with everybody. So the opportunities for admission, be it university or be it some other good colleges, they remain the same. And they will still get admissions. And now again, it is online admissions. So I feel it's going to be really exciting, and the children should not lose hope, because everybody is on the same pedestal. It's not that they gave the exam, I was not able to. So everybody is on the same pedestal. So probably they will get admission in good colleges, and now is the time when they need to concentrate on their career, and I'm sure they're going to do very well in life. So my message to them is, do not be bothered. I'm sure there is something more interesting for you ahead.
Absolutely. ज्योति मैम, CMS के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का जो है 11th-12th के स्पेशली बच्चों के हमारे पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए. उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन ये था मैम, that they are feeling very discouraged, and the kind of positivity should be there which start happening right after class 10th. जो एक्साइटमेंट होता है कि फैमिली के लोगों से लेकर के नेबर्स के लोग पूछने लगते हैं, इस साल तो बोर्ड है आपका, आगे क्या डिसाइड किया है. सो दिस एंटायर ऑरा इज मिसिंग. So here, I mean, what do you have to say so that they keep their motivation intact? और irrespective कि yes ऑनलाइन एडमिशंस हो रहे हैं और जो एक जनरल वेलबींग भी जो इफेक्ट हुई है मैम, इन सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए भी आगे किस तरीके से फोकस रहे, स्पेशली जो बच्चे इस बार अपना 12th दे करके आगे करियर डिसाइड करने वाले हैं और उन बच्चों के लिए भी जो 10th से अब 11th में आए हैं.
Yes. So the thing is, as I said, that this is not the end of the career. They have to understand this first. I do understand that schooling is a very important part of life. Probably why they are depressed, why they are discouraged, because the small things which they do in school, you know, playing pranks in the classroom, then the break time when they share their lunches and the tiffins, going to the canteen, going to the field and then playing, that is missing. They are not much bothered why. I think teaching learning is taking place, and it's taking place in a more organized manner, because they're getting more time. The traveling time is also not there. Everything is there. Teachers are trying their best to give them the best.
Right.
They have so many opportunities. They can take so many, you know, online courses where they get certificates, so they can enhance their own profile.
Absolutely.
But then what is missing is this aspect of schooling, and that is the reason they are not able to talk to their friends. That you know, that personal interaction.
Absolutely.
I think that's very important. Playing pranks in the classroom, that's very important. We have all grown like that. Right. So the reason is not that they're disturbed about their studies. The reason is, I think some children had come up to me the other day and they said, "Ma'am, why only we?" I said, "What happened?" They said, "Ma'am, what about our farewell? We are in class 12. Yes. So they look forward to these occasions when they can dress up, when they can celebrate, when they can be a part of the school functions. So that is all they are missing. And I know there are certain children who have taken it up very nicely, very sportingly. But there are certain children who are slightly, you know, discouraged and depressed. So the other day I was talking to the council members and I just told them that, well, let's hope and pray that this pandemic is out of our lives and we can still celebrate, you know. So they said, "Ma'am, we'll still have the farewell." I said, "Why not? We can still plan something for you all." So I think we have the counselor also, and when we get to know about, you know, certain such things, certain cases, then we make the counselor talk to the children so that they feel a little assured. Sometimes we need to talk to the parents also, because see, all the time children are sitting at home and the parents also there, and they are watching all their activities. So they are getting, you know, hyper, they're getting worked up, because otherwise they don't know. Morning child has gone to school. True. Comes back in the afternoon, in the evening, so they don't even know how the child has spent the day. But now they are seeing each and every minute there are nagging mothers all the time, padho types, you know. So there are so many reasons to be disturbed. Not only this, that why the studies are not taking place properly. And we are catering to that. We have our school counselors, we have certain teachers who are very experienced in this field, and they are also helping out the children.
Right. Ma'am, another question from CMS school, अलीगंज ब्रांच के एक पेरेंट का है. पेरेंट का कहना है कि जो स्क्रीन टाइम है मैम, वो काफी बढ़ चुका है बच्चों का. अब उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू एक्चुअली गेज इन दैट एक्चुअली जो बच्चा है वो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ही बिजी है, या यू नो दैट इंटायर टाइम इज बीन यूटिलाइज्ड इनटू समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट प्रोडक्टिव. ऑल्सो दैट अभी आपने जो बोला, जो एक नैगिंग, ऑब्वियसली एवरीबडी, सब आई थिंक ज्यादातर लोगों का वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, बच्चे भी घर पर हैं, एंड एवरीबडी स्टक विद देयर सिस्टम और लेट्स से देयर लैपटॉप और फोन्स. इस सिचुएशन में हाउ शुड दे हैंडल द किड्स, एंड स्पेशली दे फील दैट टीचर का भी यहाँ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. तो कैन इट बी समथिंग थ्रू टीचर दैट द स्टूडेंट, यू नो, माइंड देमसेल्फ, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लाइक इट हैपेंस इन अ क्लासरूम.
Yeah. So, Prerna, I don't know about other schools, but in our school, you know, we are following proper etiquettes.
Right.
That is, you know, when the child will get up in the morning, you cannot attend the class without school uniform. You have to be properly dressed, you know.
Right.
Then only you can start off with the classes. We have a proper assembly in the morning, you know, so it starts with the prayer, the thought, the virtue, the news of the day and all that, to just set that tone for, you know, class, so that they feel that they are in the classroom. And this was told to the children, you know, through orientation programs right in the beginning when we started the lockdown last year. So, and they were still following that. So, you know, I think in CMS, yes, as you talk talked about the screen time. That is an issue. And sometimes, the children do complain of that. But if you ask me, I
जी.
think especially the teenagers, even if it is not, if the classes are not going online, so many parents have been complaining in the past that children are stuck to the mobile, chatting and Facebook and Insta and whatnot.
True.
So as it is, they were spending a lot of time on the screen.
Absolutely.
So now the need is this. We cannot do without it. For that, I would suggest, and I've been suggesting to quite a few parents who came to me as well,
जी.
they need to, take off their eyes from the screen for some time. There are certain exercises, and we have attended sessions also. We made our children
Okay.
also attend a few sessions wherein, certain eye exercises they need to do off and on. Maybe when we have 5 minutes time between one class and the other class, they can try those exercises. It is somewhat, you have to say that where there's a will, there's a way.
Absolutely.
You
So
have
true
to
this
have
is.
that will,
Yes.
and whatever the mind of a person can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So right now your mindset has to be like that, well, I cannot do without it.
बिल्कुल
If
मैम.
the parent says to me that, well, what do we do if the child does not attend the class? So if the child does not attend the class, is going to miss on the studies.
बिल्कुल.
But then the child has himself to see that other than that, unnecessarily not wasting time on mobiles, not unnecessarily, chatting with friends,
बिल्कुल.
WhatsApping, all that they keep doing throughout.
बिल्कुल.
So I think if they are a little conscious about how they are planning themselves, things would fall in the right place.
Absolutely. ज्योति मैम, एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब एक क्वेरी जिसमें कि बहुत ज्यादा मतलब टू मच डेटा इज अवेलेबल, दैट इज न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी. तो एग्जैक्टली मतलब some says that वो already new education policy is already in execution, some says that it is yet to be decided, and I get a lot of questions. और अब तो मैं मीम्स भी देखने लगी हूँ एनईपी को लेके. तो मैं चाहूंगी मैम कि एनईपी को लेकर के आप थोड़ा सा जस्ट एजुकेट ऑल ऑफ अस.
Yeah. So actually earlier, the education, we were, stuck to, these subjects, this kind of a curriculum.
Right.
Now the new education policy which is coming up, that is basically more towards skill development.
Yes.
And I think that is something very important.
Yes.
So earlier, the distribution was like, 10+2 system we have been seeing from such a long time.
जी.
But with this policy,